Hello. Happy birthday, Dan. So this is your birthday message and something a little bit extra special. So I have got you a present, which looks like this. So it is a lockpicking kit. Now this is actually my one because I've gotten myself one as well. That's yours. And what I thought would be fun to do today was I would film myself learning to pick this clear lock, timing how long it takes, and then challenging you to see if you can beat my time. So I have actually watched a couple of videos on picking locks just to get an idea of exactly how it works and what tools to use. And as far as I can sort of ascertain, it's a case of getting all those pins to line up, putting torque on the barrel and twisting it to sort of keep them in place, and then releasing the lock. So this should be fun. Anyway, I thought it'd be fun if we learned to do something together. So once again, I kind of have a bit of an idea of what tools I need to use, I think. Let's try that one. That one looks cool. Can always change. Anyway, let's get this clock started. Alright, away we go. So hopefully I can, I don't know, edit in some music or something like that to make this a little bit more exciting, or maybe even time lapse it. I literally just bought a GoPro and I'm just learning how to use it, so I'll look into that. Hopefully I'm not just going to make you watch like 20 minutes of me just sitting here fucking around with a lock. Okay. Oh, no way. Oh, I lost it. Got this horrible feeling I might have just been like twisting the wrong way, maybe. Hey. That was actually harder than I thought. 1902. Oh man, well that's about it. I just thought I'd try and do something fun to share your birthday with you and just to wish you happy birthday. Hopefully I'll catch up with you soon if I am not already catching up with you to hand deliver said gift. But yeah, good luck, man. I hope you hit my time.